Hi guys, and welcome into a new episode of Abs in the Kitchen. Today we're making a tuna salad lettuce boats. It is so easy to make, packed with all the best nutrients, and has about 2 to 3 servings, so it's perfect to feed a family. If you're ready to try this out, let's get started. We're gonna start making our salad by cutting and smashing half of an avocado into little cubes to help you smash it up a little bit better. Okay, that looks good. Then we're gonna start with our main ingredient. I'm gonna add 2 cans of tuna. Now let's go ahead and mash the tuna up as well, just to break up those big clumps. That looks really nice. Let's go ahead with the rest of the ingredients. Cut up half an apple, clean those seeds out. And now slice them up and chop those into little cubes. The apple will get a little bit of crunchiness, sweetness into the salad, give it a little extra kick. I like to make it into really small cubes, this way you don't really feel it, but you can taste it and it's going to be so good. Next we have a little bit of celery. We're gonna slice this up and again cut into really small pieces. Just like the apple, celery will give you that freshness, that crunchiness in the salad. Next, a little bit more protein. We're gonna add 1 boiled egg. One more part of the protein, we have a fat-free cheddar cheese. I'm gonna add about half a cup to a cup of cheddar cheese. Looks great. We really like some olives in our family, so I'm gonna get those in, cut them into small pieces. And for our last ingredient, I want to add about a handful of walnuts. I'm going to chop those up. Walnuts are really good for you. They have some really healthy fats. And now time to mix the salad up, and I don't like using any mayo, so for this one I will use a Bulgarian probiotic yogurt. When it comes to serving a tuna salad, salad, I really like to make some salad tuna bowls. We're gonna place some lettuce, layer our tuna on top. Sprinkle this up with some smoked paprika, garlic, chives, and chili spice. And look how wonderful this looks. Full with protein, full of veggies, so delicious. It is a perfect lunch idea you can use every day.